you ever wanted to create stunning, unlimited images for free? Well, in today's video, I'm introducing you to a game-changing tool, Piclumen AI. Imagine having a powerful AI image generator at your fingertips, completely free of charge. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or just love experimenting with visuals, this is the ultimate tool for you. Stay tuned to see how Piclumen AI can revolutionize the way you create images. First, open the Piclumen official website using the link available in this video's description. After opening it, click on the Generate for Free button, then create a free account. After creating the free account, you will be redirected to the main dashboard, where you can see public generated images in the random, latest, and hot sections. Now, let's see how to generate images. Click on the Create button, then paste or type your image prompt. If you don't know how to create a prompt, watch my video where I explain an easy method to generate the exact image prompt. Next, in Piclumen, you have 3 models: realistic, anime, and linear art. Let's use the realistic model. Next, you need to set the image ratio. I am choosing 16:9. In the generation mode, choose quality. Next, set how many images you want to generate. You can also use a reference image for copying style or character. Finally, hit the Generate button and wait for the magic. And boom! Here are our first AI-generated images from Piclumen. You can see the image quality, details, and style. I am amazed by its results. Now, let's try the anime model. I am using the same prompt, leaving all other settings as they were before. And here are the anime results. Next, let's try the third model, line art, using the same prompt. Here are the results. Now let me show you some advanced options. I will use this image prompt. After pasting this prompt, click on Upload Reference Image. I am using this image as a reference. After uploading, select the reference image, and you will see 3 options: generate image using reference content, using style, or using character. I want to use the style of the reference image, so select any option you like. Then click on the Settings button. Here you can add a negative prompt. Change the CFG scale. CFG controls how strongly your prompt influences the generated image. And simply click on the Generate button. Here you can see the results of copying the style of the reference image. Next, you have 2 options: remove image background and HD fix to enhance your image quality. Just click and apply any effect you need. And there you have it. We've explored Piclumen's powerful AI image generation models and advanced options. From realistic anime and line art models to using reference images and advanced settings, Piclumen offers incredible flexibility and quality. Don't forget to enhance your images with options like removing the background and applying HD fix for the best results. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.